Today we're going to make homemade tomato sauce. First we're going to blanch our tomatoes to separate the skin and crush them. Next add your onion, carrot, and celery to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, sauteing until no more liquid is released. Finally add a well and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, placing your garlic in the well and slightly brown it. Then you'll add your tomato and parsley, as well as your salt and pepper to taste. Mix, then bring to a boil. Lower the heat and simmer for 30 minutes. For a thinner sauce, place in a food processor and puree to desired consistency. Voila.